Hey guys, Cloudy Kyle here, and I'm doing a review on the Rhythm by Usonicig. And so this device is a salt nick device, and I'm going to tell you the pros and cons about this device. It's a 2 ml tank that I really like, holds a lot of that salt nick juice that everybody loves. And another thing that I like about this device is it's coil free. It takes vibrations and makes them into heat, which creates the vapor, which I absolutely think is genius and awesome about this company. So that's the few things I like about this device. One of the cons is that it has a little bit too much airflow. I like it a little bit more tighter, so you can get that little more 30-er hit, but that's just me. Do a little cloud for you guys to show you how much it vapes. This is the Rhythm by Usonicig, and I hope you guys like this review, and I'll catch you guys soon.